In a world full of dangers, dangers to your business, the risk of fire and losing everything is huge. Luckily, the risk we can reduce to zero. GM Sprinkler. Fire suppression systems tailored to you. Operating on the European market for 20 years, we have completed thousands of fire extinguishing installations, which extinguished fires and protected your business. From system selection and talks with your insurer, through the creation of a concept and design, we prefabricate the installation, deliver it to your facility, install, start up, and put it into operation. And in subsequent years, we service and maintain it. Thanks to subcontractors from Italy, Switzerland, and Denmark, and other from all around the world, modern prefabrication plant. We create modern fire protection systems, securing such facilities as Zalando and Amazon distribution centers, the tallest skyscraper in the European Union, Warsaw Tower, the Polish History Museum and the Polish Army Museum, and thousands of other fire extinguishing installations across Europe. GM Sprinkler, fire protection systems at the highest level.